probability. Remember, we have looked at the topic probability. We started looking at it in a previous video, and we looked at some basic concepts covering probability. We want to look at a few worked examples now. Remember what we had said before. One of the things we said was probability can be represented as a ratio. So the probability of a particular event occurring equals the number of that particular event divided by the total number of all events that can occur. Well, include the particular one you're looking out for as well. Example, we were looking at this game of chance they call cash pot. We saw there are 36 numbers available. Suppose you buy 5 numbers. Then your probability of winning would be the number of those numbers which you bought divided by the total number of numbers that can play. So it would be 5 over 36, 5 divided by 36, right? Now, let's look at a few examples of probability. We're going to be using that formula that we saw earlier. The number, the probability of something happening would be how many of those things that can happen divided by the total number of all those things, all the things that can happen, including those that you're looking out for. All right? So, first example, suppose you have a box. Let me say that this is my box. All right? I'm saying that this is my box, and you have some marbles in it. You have, for example, let me draw my marbles in this box. I want to use some various shapes to get these marbles. All right? All right, let's say this is one red marble, 2 red marbles, 3 red marbles in the box. Good. Now, you have some blue marbles as well. Now, 1 blue marble, 2 blue marbles in the box. Now, the question is, you pick a marble randomly. Now, I use the word randomly. What does that mean? The term random, it means without your control or input, you're not able to accurately predict something that is random, an event that is random. So, the word random, it means an event that can occur but without your control or anybody else's control. So, to get this random, what you do is shake the box, dip your hand in it. Without looking, you look away, and any marble that you feel, you just pick it. So that's what I mean. Now, the thing is, how many marbles do you have in the box in total? The total number of marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marbles. So you have 5 marbles in this box. Let's make a note of that. You have 5 marbles total. a total of 5 marbles. Now, you randomly pick a marble. The question is, what is the probability that it is a blue marble? Now, when I write that down, is P blue. What is the probability that the marble you pick is a blue marble? Let's see. How many blue marbles are there? Because remember now, the probability is of you picking a particular type of marbles is the number of that marble in the box divided by the total number of marbles in the box. So what you have are 2 blue marbles divided by the total number of marbles is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So your probability of picking a blue marble is 2/5. You can rewrite it as 0.4 or 40% if you want. Alright? But for now, let's just stick to the fraction. So that's your probability of picking a blue marble. Now, that is your first pick. But let's go back and imagine that you did not pick any at all. What is the probability that the marble you picked is red? Now, you have to consider how many red marbles are there and also the total number of marbles. What you have are 3 red marbles. You must divide by the total number of marbles that are there, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 3/5. This is the same as 0.6 or 60%. So you see that? You have 5 marbles in total. The probability of you picking a particular marble, particular colored marble, is the number of those colored marbles that are in the box divided by the total number of marbles. Alright? And you see why it needs to be random. You shake up the box and you just feel the marble without looking in it, because someone with control over which marble is picked could just look in the box and always pick a blue marble, and the probability of getting a blue marble is always 100% in that case, because that person only wants to pick blue marbles. But if you have no control over which marble you pick, you shake up the box, you cover your eyes or don't look in the box and just feel and pick. All the marbles are the same size, same shape, so you don't know which is which. When you open your eyes and look, you see whether it is a blue marble or a red marble. So this is an example of the probability of an event occurring. That event is either picking a blue marble or picking a red marble, and the pick must be random. Alright, we'll end it there for now. I'll see you in the next video as we continue to look at probability.